I'm at Sairee Beach, the most popular beach in Koh Tao. If you're planning to visit Koh Tao and you don't want to drive a bike, you want to stay as close as possible to Sairee. A lot of things are happening here. The beach is well developed and there's a lot of restaurants, bars and dive shops on this beach. You can find all kinds of accommodation here, hostels, beach huts, hotels and even private villas further up the hill. And right now with COVID, the island is pretty quiet and you can find really great deals. Alright, better. Sairee is the longest beach on Koh Tao, about 2 kilometers long, which is a mile and a quarter. There are also a few shops on the walking street, but with the COVID right now, I think only the third of the businesses is open. There's a lot of swings like this on this beach for Instagram photos. You can get a massage here on the beach. Also, you can rent some paddle boards and kayaks. I like this swing. All the bars, restaurants and hotels have deck chairs and bean bags on the beach. The vibe is pretty chill, very relaxed. The beach is facing west side, so there's a lot of beautiful sunsets here. A lot of people come here at 5-6 p.m. to chill and watch the sunset.